double stack.
Oh, yeah. What you doing, bro? You getting ready for the day? Or are you trying to warm up? Oh, jeez. This is what you do every morning. I'm ready. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're in beautiful Utah today. Chris, how'd you sleep?
Like shit.
You didn't sleep good?
No.
You don't like grandma's hard mattresses?
No.
It's gonna be a long day here in about. You just did jumping jacks and push-ups, bro. You're good.
Do they got chiropractors in Utah?
So today's the first day of Vlogfest. We're gonna go grab some breakfast right now, head over, get the work for it booth finalized, and then I think today's gonna be a pretty awesome day. Well, we're from California. I got the plates in here. I can show them to you if you'd like. It's in the center console, so I'm just gonna let you know I'm reaching for it. We're just going to the fairgrounds for a truck show today. So we're getting arrested.
I think it's the first time I've been pulled over in this truck in absolutely forever. Everybody has warned me every time we come to Utah. They say, don't drive it on the roads. Like, their mud flap laws here are crazy and they enforce them like crazy. California used to be really bad, but they're not that bad about it anymore. But yeah, I think I got pulled over in this truck maybe once when we first built it. I don't even think that. I like driving old beater trucks. You don't get noticed. Nobody looks at you.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
I'll give you a warning on that.
I appreciate that.
I'm not saying that's across the board if you get stopped again.
Yeah. I got a strange request.
What's that?
Can I grab a picture of your car behind my truck?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. My sweet welcome to Utah. Yo, all the way from Philly. What's up, Liv? They're rocking the OG.
OG shirt.
Dang, everybody wants that shirt to come back. That shirt's never coming back. I hate to break it to anybody, but dang, what's up, Fernando?
What's up? You ready?
Buddy?
We're ready
Ooh, it's
today.
gonna be a crazy day. Look at it. Look at it. You got the whole.
What
Jeez,
up?
you guys all work for Fern?
No. We're all a team.
Hey, we work for it all.
Dang. Hey, you better watch out. I got pulled over right in front of your hotel there, buddy.
Really?
All right, Fern, let's go, buddy. Come on. So I'm Fern, semi-famous barbecue chauffeur today.
Yeah, we're food truck.
Food truck, we commandeered the vlog quad here. So I posted on Instagram yesterday that if anybody reposted our stuff, I was gonna buy somebody's entrance today. It got a little hard to keep track of, but we're gonna go up to the entrance right now. I'm just gonna pick somebody coming in and we're gonna buy, we're gonna pick somebody randomly. I'm gonna pay for their entrance fee. Did he pay already? He already paid? Alright, well, we're gonna wait for the next truck. I'm paying for the next truck. So we're getting chauffeured here by Nate. You guys obviously,
What's up, guys?
y'all know Nate. We're rolling in the Zephyr's Polishes golf cart right now. We got all the trucks getting lined up for the dyno. A lot of Chevys out here, a lot of Chevys. Where you four guys at? Scared of the dyno? So one of the videos that went viral this past weekend, well probably 2 weeks by the time this video goes live, is Baca's, what is it, 3,000 horsepower truck or?
He was aiming for that number. I don't know. He may have got it in that run. But.
So, well, that's probably the reason the video went viral is the truck blew up and well, the poor guy that got the grunt of it here. Jeez, dude, and your neck, your face,
my ear.
Good Lord.
Cody here.
And you were just sitting passenger, right?
Yeah, I was just in the passenger seat with Sean in the driver's seat. We did 29:20 the first run. They changed some nitrates and everything, and then we were trying for 3K, and the motor just said no more.
Jeez.
It was just once it went boom, it kind of was just in shock, get the hell out of the truck, and that's about it.
Well, he got out pretty quick. How long did it take you to get out?
Pretty quick.
Yeah.
I was right behind Sean, but yeah, Sean got out really quick. He has burns all down his right arm, and then I got my whole left side, so. We're both lucky, that's for sure.
Well, I like the spirit because you're back out here ready to do it. You jumping in any trucks today?
Not really. I might get in a few of them today, but I'm gonna stay in the shade and kind of get out of the sun.
Keep that bad boy ointmented up. God, that looks brutal, man. What's your name?
Vance.
Rowdy.
Yeah.
Rowdy?
You're Rowdy.
Is your name really Rowdy?
On God, if I had my ID on me, I'd show you.
Well, you sure as heck fit that look, Rowdy. You know, we miss our horse back at home, so we commandeered the horse here. Are you sure you want to devalue your truck like this?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So Brian says he drove 8 hours for this moment.
Yes, sir. I drove all the way from Boise just for this.
That's the best Chris signature I've ever seen, bro.
That's pretty good.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you.
Good old Brian over here filling out my registration for me.
Yeah, what else? I'm just gonna put a lot.
Yeah, put it. Modifications, a lot. What up, homie?
What is up? How you doing?
I don't know what's more impressive, the fact that you found a 110 because we didn't bring ours, or that you're now an employee of Speedful?
I am.
Dang.
I found my shoes too.
He already crashed it.
Did he?
No.
Bryant number 2 or what?
No, Bryant wanted to ride it. I was like,
don't let Brian ride it. Yeah, don't let Brian ride it. Bro, he's doing circle one-footed wheelies. You got that. You got that. Go get him, Chris. Right in the Zephyr booth. We need to get you a bow tie.
Damn it!
We just signed his bow tie and somebody stole it off the front of his truck.
You literally stole it off the front of my truck.
That sucks, dude.
Thanks, guy.
Yeah, whatever
Appreciate you.
dirtbag stole his bow tie.
Why do you have nice things?
Sorry, let's go get you something to work for. We'll all sign something to work for you. Come on. I know you thought you signed his bow tie perfectly, but now we got to get him a hat.
Hey, not even gonna lie, dude. The bow tie came out pretty clean.
Is that Lacey Blair? Oh my God!
What's up?
What's up, Lacey?
How are you?
I'm just so happy to see you with a real camera. That just like made my day right now.
Oh, it is a real camera.
That is no more cell phone vlogs.
Sometimes.
I know a lot of you guys have been following Lacey's build on Instagram. You will never be able to tell the sparkle in person, or in pictures until you see it in person. This thing's crazy, Lacey.
Yeah.
You don't mess around,
thank
dude.
You.
Like,
Thanks.
I love it. Absolutely love it.
I hate that you can't see the flake in videos and
Yeah,
pictures.
like that's straight bass boat right
It
now.
doesn't do it justice. That's what I wanted.
Bass boat?
Yeah.
I've been talking to you guys about a shirt we have to reveal right now. Chris came up with a great idea. We ought to let Lacey reveal it. If this is the last you see of all three of us, you know why.
Oh my God.
Well, let's go reveal it. And open it up.
Oh. You guys are terrible.
Yeah.
I kind of love it though. That's awesome. Is he here?
No, he's not here.
He's gonna kill you.
Yeah, oh yeah, he's gonna
Does
kill
he
us.
know?
I spotted this thing from across the parking lot. We got a boy back at home that's building square bodies. This thing, the body work on this is beautiful, man. Give us a little walk around.
It's a 1977 K20. It's got a 1993 12 valve in it. It's got a NV 4500.
Nice.
She's on 37s on a 17-inch rim method.
There you go. I actually like that wheel. Like I kind of like classic tires, wheel combos on these trucks. But that looks good, man. It kind of has that old school off-road look to it. Oh, even the interior.
Yeah, it's all done.
Dang, man. No, you guys did a great job on this thing. All right, I don't know who had the bad idea of letting this guy be a judge. Sick, bro.
Yo, yeah, sick, bro, sick, bro. It's all right, man. I'm not biased. My truck's not in.
Yeah, but how much is it to buy you off?
I already tried off.
You already tried?
He did.
$100?
$100, yeah. I'm
Bro, that's
pretty steep.
that's integrity right
I gotta
there.
fix my truck. I gotta fix my truck.
Nate was like, "I'll give you a trophy for $100."
But what do you think about this? Come
This
on,
looks
Ryan.
clean,
Let's
man.
give your honest
Oh, you want me to
opinion.
judge it?
Yeah, come on.
I love the new Rams.
Okay.
I'm not a big fan of the headlights because they're so big and they're hard to do something with.
Okay.
But I think the black on black on black is the right way to go with these things.
Have you checked out the under?
What do we got? What do we got?
Nice little lift kit. It's a
I like
cool lift
it.
kit.
I like the kind of the pewter gray. It even comes with a puppy. Bro, he wins. Get him a trophy. So Nate from Vlog convinced me, him, and Lacey are gonna take the show trucks on the dyno. I don't really know why, because all we're gonna do is put down some embarrassing numbers. Now get your truck out there, bro.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Doing that good
Come
though.
on, man.
Get your truck out there.
I'll see what's up.
Hold on, if we got somebody from Vlog in the truck and it blows up, that means it has to go to their shop and they rebuild it, right?
That's right.
Chris Bailey.
Yeah, get Chris's ass up here.
Chris Bailey's gonna be pushing the truck too.
Yeah, I heard he's putting down big numbers. Yeah.
He's retired.
Hold on, you got a cam in your truck, all that stuff. I got the slowest truck here.
I already put mine in the drag strip. That's all that matters.
Yeah, you put your truck up there.
Nah, maybe next time.
So we're putting all the show trucks on the dyno before like the real high horsepower trucks, aka that one right there, get on the dyno. So Vlog's got their truck. I'm not sure who that is, but that's a beautiful truck. He's up next. Lacey's taking hers. Obviously we got mine, probably the slowest one in the bunch. And then we got that beautiful red truck right there with an awesome work for it decal on the back window, by the way. This was this guy's idea right here.
Yeah, it is. But hey, I have some good ideas.
I think it's a good idea.
Possibly the coolest dyno event ever.
Or the slowest. The prettiest, but the slowest.
It's the prettiest.
I don't know, boys, what do you think? Probably put down about the same horsepower as my truck, huh?
Yeah, similar.
Similar
numbers.
Yeah, I'm with you. don't care how tough you are when the guys that run the dyno for a living go running under the dyno.
Yes, to hide.
I'm standing
and we're all taking 3 steps back.
Yeah.
Now,
Last week, that truck blew up. I was like, hey, they're running away. Where am I still here by myself?
After these trucks run, we're gonna do burnouts.
Yeah, so since you're making me go on the dyno, you're doing a burnout in this truck, right?
Come on. Come on.
Burnout in the other truck.
What, this one? What's wrong with this one?
I don't know. Maybe I'll spin them a little. Should I spin them a
You
little?
should spin them a lot. Yeah. You got to get this thing
Dude,
in
you're
here.
putting me on the spot right
That's what
here.
I do
Holy
best. This is your party. This is Flog's party. We got to have the Flog truck doing the burnout. Nate, what numbers are we thinking on this bad boy?
Dude, if I get 450, I'll be pretty happy.
All right. That's way more than I think I'm going to get.
Well, I tried to download a bigger tune, but I can't get my Wi-Fi to work worth a shit. So I'm kind of stuck with what I have.
Hey, let's see what it's got. So we're about 2 trucks back from getting on the dyno there. Just imagining.
I'm adding power.
Oh, you're adding power? Extra traction in the rear? Yep. We got some real trucks with some real power surrounding us. Probably mad we're on the dyno. Wasn't my idea. Nate from Flog, he's paying for the dyno. He said get on the dyno. So hey, we're getting on the dyno.
So apparently my tune didn't override the governor, so you start out at about 100 miles an hour. So I laid on the throttle and there was nothing there. It's like, kind of pissed me off a little.
Can I use that same excuse?
Can if you want.
All right, yeah, my governor. It's stuck at 70.
How you think you did, Lacey?
He did way better than me.
Yeah? All right.
I'm stoked. I think it did awesome. What was it, like 5.4s? All he wanted to do was beat me, so I think he did that.
Fern coming up. Got some new bumpers on Fern's truck. Old ones are off right here. Came off of Black Mamba over here. This is the new Flog bumper for the 1500s. I think this is the first one that they've done. I think that's why the guy drove out 30 hours to get it installed here at the show. And then it all worked out well, came full circle. Fern got his bumpers. Check out the bumpers they got for the new 2020s. You guys know I'm a giant fan of Flog because they make their stuff fit absolutely perfect. I mean, it just looks, you know, like the fit and finish of their bumpers compared to some of the other companies. They don't put the design time in like Flog does, but you see on the 2020s here, just how good and beefy that bumper looks. And all these accessories right here are all optional. So you can kind of take those off, put them on, it's all modular, but these things look absolutely killer on these 2020s.
I'll America the shit out of this. I'll double stack.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
I'll double America this.
Right?
I should have that Flog t-shirt. Not gonna hit this.
All right.
It's either gonna hit that Mac toolbox or the fire extinguisher.
All right.
Those are my 2 objectives.
All right. So Kev's gonna drive off the keg. Now when he put the truck on a forklift.
Come on, guys, no. Do you know how many hours and time you put into this?
Beyond this line right here.
Flawless! Absolutely flawless! Woo!
I know I missed both of them. I was trying to hit either one of those. Honestly, I thought I was gonna shit out the bottom. Probably have to wipe that off.
We got guys for that, don't worry. All right, Joe, with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, Vlog throws an insane party. I'm running out of camera memory, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you don't miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the boys over at Vlog Industries, and make sure you guys come out to Vlog Fest next year.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.